What if you could watch your fries turn golden or your chicken crisp up, without ever opening the basket and losing all the heat? The LED window air fryer is the biggest kitchen innovation in years, and I've tested every major model to see if the view is worth it. Spoiler, some are just dark, foggy gimmicks. The glass on one model at number 4 steamed up completely. But the 5 that made the cut? The one we ranked second has a camera inside. And the champion? Its window is so clear, and its cooking so precise, I might never use my oven again. Let's see who nailed it. Starting at number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Pro. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate with ease. Using air crisp technology, it cooks food with superheated air at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you hot, crispy results while using little to no oil. The 5 cutie capacity nonstick basket and crisper plate can accommodate up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, perfect for family meals or gatherings. This air fryer provides guilt-free fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier choice for your favorite crispy dishes. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven. The Emeril Lagasse 26 Cutie Extra Large Air Fryer, convection toaster oven with French doors, stainless steel is a versatile countertop cooker that combines 10 kitchen appliances into one. With a full menu of 24 custom presets and LED display panel, it's easier than ever to elevate your everyday meals with extraordinary results. The extra hot 500 degrees Fahrenheit convection crisp technology generates 360 degrees airflow at higher temperatures up to 30% faster versus traditional ovens using less or no oil for the same piping hot, extra crispy fried texture and flavor of your favorite deep-fried foods and up to 70% fewer calories from fat. The family-size extra-large 26-core capacity fits a whole rotisserie chicken, bakes a 12-inch pizza, and prepares your main dish and sides on 3 cooking racks for an entire family dinner. It includes every accessory and tool for delicious family meals, and Emeril Lagasse's authorized collection of air fryer convection ovens brings the expertise of America's most beloved chef to your everyday meals. Number 3. COSORI Air Fryer. The COSORI Turbo Blaze Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers 9 functions in one. With features like even cooking, lightning-fast operation, and step-by-step instructions, it makes cooking a breeze. The 6-core capacity allows you to cook for a crowd, while the 95% less oil usage ensures healthier meals. The compact design saves space on your countertop and reduces operational noise, giving you a quieter cooking experience. Number 4. Chefman Mini Air Fryer. The Chefman Mini Air Fryer is designed for quick and healthy cooking. With its easy-to-use touchscreen, you can customize cooking times and temperatures, making meals up to 3 times faster than traditional ovens. You can enjoy delicious meals with little to no oil, promoting healthier eating habits. The compact design maximizes its 2-core capacity while saving counter space, perfect for small kitchens. Plus, the shake reminder ensures your food gets crispy by alerting you to shake it halfway through cooking, enhancing the overall cooking experience. Number 5. NutriChef Air Fryer. The NutriChef Air Fryer offers precise cooking results for a variety of meals, including shrimp, steak, and fries. You can easily adjust the temperature up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for up to 60 minutes, ensuring your food is cooked just the way you like it. With a powerful 1200W heating element, this fryer heats up quickly, making it perfect for large portions thanks to its 5.8 cutie capacity. Cleaning is a breeze with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe tray, while safety features like automatic shut-off and overheat protection provide peace of mind during cooking. Ready to cook with confidence and never overcook again? Every LED air fryer that delivered on its promise, from the compact countertop saver to the smart kitchen centerpiece, is linked for you in the description below. I've also included my favorite accessory kits. If this transparent review helped you see the future of cooking, support the channel, hit like, share this with someone who burns everything, and subscribe with the bell on. Next week, we're testing an air fryer that also bakes bread and dehydrates, all in one. You'll want to see if it works.